Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I still have these donations of shoes from people that donated to me. I've been working, so it's been hard for me to keep up with all the washing, but I'm gonna get to these as soon as I can. Ignore my rug, I'm washing it. And these are the shoes that I'm going to clean tonight. Look at these cute little cleats. So cute. Look at these baby shoes. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Little baby Converse, baby Crocs, Adidas. These are all brand name, and I'm going to be able to donate them. I'm so excited. And I just got my donation basket from the library because it was full. Look at all these shoes. I'm so excited to wash them and get them donated. I haven't donated any shoes yet. It's a bit of a process. I have 3 kids. My son was in track. I just started a new job, but these are all the shoes that I have washed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I always said when I got 20 shoes washed, I was going to donate them. So every 20 shoes that I get washed, I'm going to donate to churches, homeless shelters, anyone who actually needs shoes, that cannot afford shoes, that I can just help. I'm going to give them to them. But I had a thought. The end of the school year is coming, and so I thought that I would just donate. I'm a mess. I haven't even got a shower from work today. I would just donate all of the adult shoes, maybe, and keep all of the kids' shoes back, and like still wash them and keep them here and put them on a shelf or whatever. And then when next school year begins, I could just reach out or make it known that I have shoes, kids' shoes, that are free to anyone who is in need. That way they don't have to fight or try to get to the churches or shelters in time to be able to get a pair. I'd like to just give them to them. So again, if you have any more shoes to donate, think of me. I have so many and I'm so excited. Just give me some time, guys, because with 3 kids, running my house, working, being everybody's chauffeur, it can be a lot. But I'm not giving up. This is important to me, and I'm excited to donate all of them. And I'm so excited that I have all these shoes. The ladies at the library must have thought I was crazy because she called me and said that the basket was full of shoes, and I was like, oh yay, I'm coming to get them. And so I came in and I was like, oh, thank you, I'm so happy about the shoes. And she was like, good. And I'm like, ah. So I look like I had just won the lottery, but I'm just happy to be able to help and have lots of shoes to give. So let me know what you think about keeping the shoes for kids next year for school, or if I should just donate them to churches, because I'm 50-50. I'm undecided. Either way, they're going to go to families in need and kids in need, but I want to make sure, I don't know, that I'm doing the right thing. So but even like the adult shoes, teenagers can wear adult shoes, so I don't want to leave anyone out of a donation. So yeah, just let me know. Thank you, guys.